Hi, welcome to PC Error Detective. Today I'll show you exactly how to refresh a graphics card in Windows 10 so your display runs smoothly and your games and apps perform better. Step 1. Right-click the Start icon on the bottom left corner of your screen. This opens a quick access menu that lets you reach important system tools easily. Step 2. Click on Device Manager from the menu. Device Manager is where Windows lists all your hardware, including your graphics card, so you can manage and update it. Step 3. Expand the Display Adapters section to see your graphics card. This section shows all the video hardware installed on your PC, which is essential for refreshing the driver. Step 4. Right-click your graphics card and select Update Driver. Updating the driver ensures your graphics card has the latest features and fixes any issues that may be slowing it down. Step 5. Click Search automatically for drivers. Windows will then check online for the newest driver and install it automatically if one is available. Step 6. If it says the best driver is already installed, click Check for updates with Windows Update. This ensures Windows checks its full database for any newer drivers you might have missed. Step 7. Wait 5 to 10 minutes while Windows updates your graphics card. During this time, Windows downloads and installs the latest driver, so be patient and do not turn off your PC. Step 8. To confirm, right-click the graphics card again, select Properties, and go to the Driver tab to see the installed driver version. This helps you verify that the refresh process was successful. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tips.